Hey natural beauties, Wagwan, welcome back to another tutorial. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I thought I would show you guys how to achieve a fun flirty daytime look and how to transform that look into something smoky and seductive for the nighttime. This of course is a dark skin friendly tutorial, so all my dark skin girls, stay tuned. Thumbs up this video, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for the tutorial. To achieve today's looks, I'm using these two palettes that I got at Marshall's. These are the Profusion Bare and Smoky palettes. I'm going to be using the Profusion Bare palette for the daytime look and the Smoky palette for the nighttime look. All products will be listed in the description bar. First, you want to take a gold shadow and just apply that all over your lid. Gold is very universal and it's the perfect color for the daytime. It's subtle, yet it can be built up to make a bold statement for an eye look. Take the matte brown and use that to deepen the outer V of the crease and also slightly into the crease just to build up a nice soft smoky eye. Using the off-white color, apply that to the brow bone area. This will set the concealer and also highlight the brow bone. Pick your favorite pink blush and apply that to the cheeks. A blusher will make you look way more alive, especially in the daytime, and it also adds color back to the face so that your skin does not look washed out. Apply a nude pink color all over the lips. This color is perfect for the daytime because it's very subtle and it won't look like you're doing way too much. If you're not pleased and you want a bit more color, take a rosy pink lip color and apply that in the center of the lips. For a plump glossy effect, use your favorite gloss. Something with a bit of glitter will give you more of a plump, luscious lip look. Volumize your lashes by applying your favorite mascara. If you're like me and you don't have a lot of lashes, this will make the world of a difference. So apply a generous coat to the top and bottom lashes. And just like that, you've achieved something quick, easy, and very beginner friendly that is sure to draw a lot of attention on Valentine's Day. This look will make you stand out without looking like you tried too hard. Now that we've had our daytime look, let's transform that into something dramatic and smoky for the nighttime. Take the black glitter shadow and apply that all over the area where the gold shadow was before. Placing this on top of the gold will make it come out emerald green, but it's actually black with glitter. So either way, it's going to be the perfect smoky eye. Take the emerald green shadow and apply that into the center of the eye. This is going to create a slight halo eye look effect. Using the silver eyeshadow, illuminate the inner tear duct area. Now smoke out the lower lash line using the same dark glitter shadow. Take a pressed powder and set your face, preferably the one that you used for your daytime look. This is going to absorb all the oil and allow you to have a nice matte finish to your makeup look. Yes, I cheated. I'm going back into the Bare palette and using this dark brown to intensify my contour. For the nighttime, a dramatic contour is definitely a must. It's going to allow your cheekbones to stand out way more and you'll be glad because you'll see the difference, especially in your nighttime photographs. Take your powder brush and just blend that out so that it is nice and subtle. For an illuminated nighttime glow, use the gold from the palette to highlight the face. To make way for the nighttime lip look, remove the current lip colors and apply a matte orange lipstick. Don't worry if it looks too bold, I know how to make it work. Click the link right above my head to see all the lipstick hacks and also the top 5 matte lip colors for darker skin tones. Apply a brown liner to the lips to make the lip look neater. Take your favorite pair of lashes and apply those to the eyes for something more dramatic. Finally, blend the false lashes with your real lashes by using some mascara. And there you have it, a nice dramatic look for dark skin that is very playful and very different. Do you guys prefer the daytime look or the nighttime look? Tell me in the comment section below. And also in the comment section, describe your idea of the perfect date. Go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.